Introducing the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.